Hey guys, welcome to my first makeup tutorial video. So today I finally decided to make a video doing my makeup. So today I did a fall tutorial on this look, and stay tuned for other videos. I know this is my first one. If you guys want to keep on watching more, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what else you guys want to see. You guys want to achieve this look, just keep watching this look. I'm gonna be using the Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and it does have kind of like burnt orange colors and all that. Whoops. So I'm gonna be using this palette, and I'm also gonna bring back an oldie, which is the Modern Renaissance as well. This has some pretty colors for fall. So I'm gonna be using both. I'm gonna be using this by Beauty Creation Splash of Colors 2. Just look at this, all these glittery colors. They're so pretty. So I might be throwing this on my eyes. I'm gonna go in with burnt orange and orange soda. I'm gonna be mixing this one and this one. I'm gonna be using this on my crease. I'm just gonna blending. Oh, the brush I'm using is by Wet n Wild blending brush. I got this like a long time ago. It blends pretty well.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love me. Caught up in my tape.
I'm gonna be going in with this brush. It's a bit smaller than the blending brush. It's kind of the same, but the other one's bigger. I'm gonna be going in with this little brush, and I'm gonna be using from the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna be using Real Gar from this palette. On here, the crease, you don't want to go above your transition shade. You're gonna go a little bit under, like that. You're going to be blending with the brush you use for your transition shade, so you can all blend so you won't look just like separated, if that makes sense. I'm going to be blending. I'm going to be taking Red Ochre from this palette from the Modern Renaissance. I'm going to be using that with this small little brush. It's from the same Beauty Creations. I don't know what the number is, so I'm gonna be applying that. On the crease. I'm sorry. You can darken a little bit. I'm kind of going for like a halo crease. I don't know. I'm just gonna go in with the same blending brush that I used for the transition shade, and I'm gonna be taking the transition shades and be blending it.
No need to run and
so now I'm going to be using this brush. It's like a flat brush. I'm going to be applying the highlight on my brow, under my brows. Maybe. This and blend that so not too harsh. There. I'm gonna be using this brush. It's like a small. I don't know where I got this brush. I forgot. I think I got it online. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna be applying concealer on my hands.
Used to be so happy, but without you here I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but
So I think I'm gonna do like a cut crease.
you will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I die.
After that, you kind of want to go in with the same brush you used for red ochre, I think, and you want to get a little bit more so you can give dimension right here. I'm going to be using these. I'm kind of going to go, should go with the orange. Kind of want to go with like orange. Should I go with that bronzy? Okay, I think I'm going to go, which one did I grab? I think I'm going to go with this one right here. I'm going to go in with that one. It looks like that. They're really pigmented. Oh my god, I did not know. This is my first time using this palette. I'm gonna be using that with the same brush we used for the highlight of the brow bone.
Loving
So I already did this side, so now I'm gonna clean this part up. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild liner. So I just did a wing liner. Alright guys, so I already applied the lashes and be applying burnt orange and golden ochre underneath. I'm going to be using right here in the inner corner just to brighten up a little bit. Now the lip color that I'm going to be using, I was gonna use the Kylie Cosmetics this one, but I feel like it'll be too much. I mean, I could just try it on for you guys. It's called Vixen. I'm gonna be using this. Excuse my nails, they are bad.
Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you. And if you love me, but you never let me go.
Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.